Also to them, and I'm so happy that you're here tonight. My mom and Tita Jackie and my cousins. And yun lang. Salamat din sa mga lola ko kasi sobrang laking inspirasyon nila simula nung bata pa lang. Kakahulog ko lang sa upuan ko. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Hello po. Unang-una sa lahat, gusto ko po magpasalamat syempre sa Guillermo sa award po na ito. Hindi ko po talaga inaasahan nung una akong nagsimulang magtrabaho para sa Lavender Fields na magkakaroon ng mga ganito. So maraming salamat po. Thank you to Dreamscape, to ABS-CBN of course, to Sir Deo and Tito Leo na inumpisahan tong project kasama ako. And of course sa co-actors, Echo, Ate Jody, Ate Jolens, and Direk Manny, Direk Jojo, at sa lahat ng bumubuo sa Dreamscape. Thank you talaga, maraming salamat po. At syempre, bukod sa lahat, thank you sa fans. Thank you so much kasi talagang buong-buong tiwala nyo sa akin. Kahit ako wala masyado pang tiwala sa iba-ibang role, nauna na po kayong nagtiwala sa akin. So malaking bagay po yun. Maraming salamat po. And I dedicate this to my family who's here tonight. Syempre, bihira lang kaming magsama-sama sa ganitong klaseng event. Pero ngayon, dahil we're honoring also Mamita and Mama Gaya and Tito Ricky, I dedicate this also to them. And I'm so happy that you're here tonight. My mom and Tita Jackie and my cousins. And yun lang. Salamat din sa mga lola ko kasi sobrang laking inspirasyon nila simula nung bata pa lang ako. And of course, Tito Ricky was one of my first directors. So, mahal na mahal ko sila and mahal na mahal ko kayo. So, thank you very much. Thank you, Guillermo.
Kaya mo yun, Jazz. Huwag mo kasi video and friend.
Sorry po, pa-up lang ng sa start lang po. Thank you so very much.
Akala ko yung cellphone ko. Masyado ka naman city.
This next awardee made a big comeback to primetime drama series through his role as Tyrone de Vera in the teleserye Lavender Fields. His excellent performance as a man trapped between two powerful women has achieved consistent high ratings for the program. 2024's primetime TV drama actor of the year, Jericho Rosales.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Lani Santiago. And to present a lei for Jericho Rosales is Mayor Marcos Tamay of Nunungan, Lanao del Norte.
Okay. 1999 was the year. So Guillermo Mendoza Awards gave me a trophy. Nakalagay doon, most promising star in 1999. 3 years after I was Mr. Pogi. I'm here because of I didn't write anything, but I was like looking at the G. So gratitude is what brought me here to Guillermo Mendoza. I am so honored, just like what Donnie said, so honored to be, on stage and sharing this theater with, great actors and producers, and I just feel so happy because I'm doing, and I'm in this industry na mahal ko. I love my job so much, and I have quit so many times because na burnout. But every single time that I decide to do something, music, Guillermo, you guys gave me an award for music. Hindi nyo na po may tatanong, I'm also a lyricist. And then I left again and I did movies, and then you guys gave me an award again. So this is my, anyway, it's just nice to have this kind of support. G for Gantimpala, and ang Gantimpala ng paggawa ng sining ay walang kapalit, but it's so nice to be supported by someone like you guys. And I am asking everyone, let us not allow the flame to die, whether television or cinema, because ang ating kultura ng paggawa ng sining ang bumubuhay sa Pilipinas. So mabuhay ang TV, mabuhay ang pelikula. Thank you so much. God bless you guys.
And Dr. Christian Gilbo.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you, Guillermo, for this award. This really never gets old, and I'm just really thrilled because I'm standing beside one of our icons in the industry, Bossing. Maraming salamat po. Pangarap pa rin to hanggang ngayon. Hindi po rin ako makapaniwala na I get to share this stage with you. And of course, a movie that we did last year. Maraming salamat po sa aming producers, of course, from APT, MZ, and MQuest na naniwala po sa istorya, our visionary director, Direk Mike Tubiera, lahat po ng teams namin, ng mga produksyon na bumuo po ng The Kingdom at naniwala sa proyektong ito. Sa inyo po, kasi kung wala po tayong audience na nanonood, wala po tayong pelikula. So sana po, let's keep the fire burning and sana dire-diretso lang po yung suporta natin sa mga pelikulang Pilipino, mga palabas at maging proud po tayo sa ating produkto. Maraming salamat, Guillermo. To God be the glory.
Thank you. Thank you, God. Dick, sorry serious actor na ako ngayon. Next time. Thank you, Guillermo Foundation. Thank you for this recognition. And of course, thank you sa aming director, si Direk Mike. And of course, my co-actors, especially this good guy beside me. And I would like to dedicate this award or recognition to my children. They serve as my inspiration in life, in everything that I do. And special mention kay Tali. Kasi dito sa pelikulang ito, dito lang niya nalaman na aktor pala ang tatay niya. So, she was so excited to watch me in the cinema. Hey, Dad, I will see you in the cinema on the big screen. Oh, you're an actor, huh? Ali, thank you. And to my wife, Pauline, siya yung nagbigay sa akin ng lakas ng loob na tanggapin yung proyekto. Although I must admit I was somewhat reluctant to do the film, pero with my wife beside me, siya yung nagsabi sa akin na kaya mo yan, iwan mo na kay Dick yung comedy. So thank you, babe. Maraming salamat. Alam nyo, the movie got a lot of good reviews. We'd like to thank everyone for that. Ang daming papuri, pero ito na yata ang pinakamagandang papuri na natanggap namin. On behalf of BJ, thank you very much, Guillermo Foundation. Thank you, God.
Clarity. I'm just not not sure if this is because of his role as a straight police officer gone bad or his romantic and bittersweet love triangle with Lena and Marites. But in all of his scenes in FPJ's Batang Quiapo, he was truly effective dahil kung bibilangin mo yung mga dami ng bashers niya. From the netizens and of course the viewers. Ayan. 2024's TV Supporting Actor of the Year, John Estrada.
Presenting the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Mrs. Tatiana Gorayev Dularia. Pwede, pasensya na, hindi kita kasing pagkata.
Of course, I want to thank first and foremost Guillermo Foundation Awards for this for such an honor. Siyempre, I want to share this award to the crew and staff of Batang Quiapo, sa mga directors doon, sa mga artista, sa mga directors ko, Direk Richard, Direk Darnell, and of course, sa poging-pogi kong director na si Manu Sibilla. And to ABS-CBN, maraming salamat. And of course, I want to share this award sa utak at puso ng Batang Quiapo, ang aking kaibigan, aming leader, aming creator genius, aming hari, na si Coco Martin. Bilis na siya, but Coco, this is for you at maraming salamat sa tiwala mo at paniniwala mo kay Kuya Jan para gumanap ng isang rigor di magiba. And of course, I want to dedicate this award to the loves of my life, my kids, Ina Moira, Kyla Yuan, and of course to my baby Anechka. Thank you so much, my love, for coming with me tonight. And thank you for supporting your dad every single day. I love you all, and maraming salamat sa award na to. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Good evening.
Maraming salamat po ulit sa Guillermo for recognizing Lavender Fields. Thank you so much. Of course, success po ito ng Dreamscape at isa ito sa mga last brainchild ni Sir Deo. So, Sir Deo, this is for you. And of course, Miss Kylie, Miss Hazel, yung buong team ng Lavender Fields. Siyempre sa mga director namin, Direk Manny Balo and Direk Jojo Sagin. And of course, kay Ate Jody. So, maraming salamat po.
Thank you. To the cast, amazing cast. This is for us. Cheers.
And thank you po sa lahat ng nanood talaga on ABS-CBN, TV5, Netflix. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat po.
Alam mo, Christian, it really feels great. Casting ng acting ng mga primetime teleseries ngayon, di ba? From the lead stars all the way to the supporting cast and the minor characters, na kahit konti lang ang eksena, damang-dama mo na umiiksena sila. This is the kind of chemistry that is found in this drama series where all its characters blend so well together, acting their best and playing their roles perfectly. Congratulations to the entire cast of 2024's Best Ensemble Acting for Television Lavender Fields.
Receiving the trophy for the Guillermo Foundation is Dr. Jamie Remoquilio.